Hello student, in this video we are going to see example based on star delta transformation technique. Find an equivalent resistance between A and B terminal. So if you see the circuit diagram, in this 2 and 4 ohms and here this 11 and 4 ohms are connected in series. So first we have to simplify this series resistance circuit. So first we have to simplify this series resistance circuit. So this is the 6 ohms resistor. This is terminal A. This is a 6 ohm resistor. And addition of this 2 ohm and 4 ohms is 6 ohms. This is 41 ohm resistor, 15 ohm resistor, and addition of this 11 and 4 is 15 ohm. This is the second terminal B. Now if you observe, this network is connected in delta and these three resistors are connected in delta. So we have to convert this delta to star and this also delta to star. For that we have to draw in this a star network, and this also we have to draw star network. So consider this is R1, R2, and this is R3, this is R6, R5, R4. Now what is value of R1? If you see, R1 is connected here and at this point 6 and 6 ohm resistors are connected. So it is 6 into 6 divided by 6 plus 6 plus 6 total resistance in the delta network. So the value of R1 is 2 ohm. Similarly, all this delta value are 6 ohms. So value of R1, R2 and R3 will be equal to, so R2 equal to R3 equal to 6 into 6 divided by 18. So it will be a 2 ohms. So if you see R4, R6 and R5. So if you observe, delta network has a 50 ohm resistor in each branches. So value of R6, R5 and R4 will be equal. So value of R4 equal to R5 equal to R6, and it will be a 15 into 15 divided by 15 plus 15 plus 15, and value is 5 ohms. Now we have to redraw this circuit like this. This is the star network that we have find. Again this is the second star network, and value of this star network that we have find here is R1, R2 and R3 are 2 ohms. So we will write here 2 ohms, 2 ohms, 2 ohms, and this is 41 ohms and this is a 70 ohms. I have forgot to draw this resistor. So this resistor is 17 ohms. Again this star network value is 5 ohms, 5 ohms and 5 ohms. Now if you observe, these three resistors are connected in series and here three resistors are connected in series. So if you simplify this, the circuit is like this. Resistor and simplification of the series combination is, this is the 2 plus 41 plus 5 is 48 ohms, and here 2 plus 17 plus 5 is 24 ohms, and this is the 5 ohm resistor, and this 2 ohm resistor between A and B. Now this 48 and 24 are connected in parallel. Simplify this parallel combination. It is R parallel combination value is 48 parallel with 24 is 16 ohms, and this value is 2 ohms and this resistor value is 5 ohms. Resistance are connected in series. So what is the value of resistance between A and B? A and B addition of 2 plus 16 plus 5. So it is 23 ohms. So resistance between RAB is 23 ohms. So it is the required answer. Thank you.